No complaint. Yes, Brazil.
Yeah, we're a little touchy. After that movie City of God, that movie that was really and such a positive light, I think we inspired him.
Oh, okay.
Well, the tourism industry slogan was "The monkeys are gone now." And then it said, "Come to Rio, the monkeys are gone now."
That's how they got the Olympics. Right?
And by the way, we researched this. Mike Weeks has been to Brazil. He's got a book. He had his pocketbook there. He was robbed 2 times.
I looked at my house today, there's a monkey. I'm the only one who's been there and I had a pretty good time. This, by the way, is one of my favorite. This is great. I love this. It's precisely the current events doing something like that.
I like how he just shakes it off and
It's hilarious. True.
So this is one where we, I think we even added to it after the antibiotic. Had a good laugh, so we keep it going.
Maybe the red one was that.
I'm pretty sure if that happened to me, I would never stop thinking about it in my life. But 2 minutes later, totally forgotten.
Well, this episode was written by a good friend of ours, Bob Benson, who I guess couldn't be here today, but we should give him a shout out. Yeah, Bob was my boss on Elf, worked on the 2nd season, and he was a great boss, and I thought he did when he was on the show. Bob, he's been writing for a long time because he used to be a comedy writing child prodigy, and he used to, in fact, write on the show Alice. And he told us about